every living creature depends on vital organs. But here's the twist. The same organ can be powerful in one species and fragile in another. Humans are advanced in some ways, but also surprisingly delicate. Now, we'll compare the top 5 most important organs in humans and animals, their size, strength, capacity, sensitivity, and just how easily they can be damaged. Number 1, the brain. The human brain is extremely soft, similar to tofu in texture, and can be damaged by a shock as mild as a 50-kilometer-per-hour car crash without a helmet. Some animals, like jellyfish, have no brain at all, yet survive purely through reflexes. They can't suffer brain injury because they don't have one. The human brain weighs about 1.4 kilograms with over 86 billion neurons. That's about 2,500 terabytes, or enough to store the entire Netflix library hundreds of times over, controlling everything from breathing to imagination. Humans lead in creativity, reasoning, and complex language. Other side, the sperm whale has the biggest brain at 9 kilograms. But dolphins and chimpanzees rival us in problem solving. Number 2, the heart. The hummingbird's tiny heart beats 1,200 times per minute in flight, the fastest in the world. The human heart weighs about 300 grams and pumps 5 liters of blood per minute. The human heart can be stopped by electrical shocks as low as 50 volts or by severe chest impact. It's also vulnerable to artery blockages from poor diet, something many wild animals rarely face. The blue whale's heart weighs 180 kilograms and pumps 220 liters in one beat. Built for endurance, it can beat over 3 billion times in a lifetime. Some reptiles have hearts that work so slowly they can survive without beating for minutes. But this also limits their activity. Let me know in the comments. Which organ do you think is our greatest weakness? Number 3, the lungs. Humans breathe in about 11,000 liters of air per day, but our oxygen storage is modest. Human lungs are delicate. Smoke, pollution, or water inhalation can cause damage within minutes. Drowning can occur in under 4 minutes without rescue. You can say that fresh oxygen from the air keeps us alive every moment. The Cuvier's beaked whale can hold its breath for over 3 hours. Seals slow their heartbeat to a few beats per minute underwater. Eagles have lungs so efficient, they extract oxygen both when inhaling and exhaling. Amphibians have simple lungs and rely partly on skin breathing, efficient in water, but hopeless on land. Number 4, the liver. Our liver filters toxins, stores nutrients, and regenerates itself. One of the few organs that can regrow if partially damaged removed. Camels' livers process salty water and survive extreme dehydration. Sharks' massive livers, up to 25% of body weight, store energy-rich oils for long hunts. While it's tough in function, the human liver can fail in days from poisoning, alcohol abuse, or certain infections. Some toxins, like those from the death cap mushroom, can destroy it within 48 hours. Some small mammals have such fragile livers that minor diet changes can be deadly. Number 5, the skin. Pangolins are covered in keratin scales so hard they can resist lion bites. Crocodile skin is thick and armor-like, nearly bulletproof at close range. Human skin is our first defense, about 2 square meters in area and constantly renewing. Human skin is thin. Burns, cuts, and frostbite can happen within seconds in extreme environments. It can tear from as little as 20 to 30 newtons of force. Amphibians like salamanders have extremely permeable skin, great for absorbing oxygen, terrible for survival in dry climates. So while humans have some of the most advanced brains on Earth, in raw strength and durability, many animals leave us far behind. Our bodies are powerful, but also fragile. That's why protecting these organs is key, because once damaged, the story of life can end in seconds.